I suggest you 5 good sources that will help you prepare for your CET without paying even a single damn penny. थोड़ा गलत निकलने वाला था. First source that you guys are gonna use is governmentadda.com. Sorry, even first source that you're gonna use is indiabix.com. INDIABIX. indiabix.com. This is an amazing source to make sure कि तुम्हारे सारे basics clear है. Your English, your abstract, ये दोनों का पूरा preparation तुम्हारा IndiaBix पे हो जाएगा. Your LR, your quants and your DI, इन तीनों का basic preparation तुम्हारा IndiaBix पे हो जाएगा. Now to improve your level. To improve your level, you go on to the second source. That is Government Adda. Government Adda is an amazing source to do your LR, your DI and your quants का questions. ये तीनों questions यहाँ पे perfectly cover होते हैं. The third thing, aspirant zone. If you guys want that kick, if you guys maybe are taking mocks which are difficult than CET, then I suggest start solving questions given in aspirantzone.com. These 3 are the best websites that I personally have found to solve anything for CET. तुम्हें CET का practice करना है, use these 3 websites. Okay. Now 2 on your favorite platform, Instagram. One is StudyBuzz. StudyBuzz is a great source. उसमें you don't only find CET related stuff, you'll also find तुम्हारा थोड़ा GK का, तुम्हारा CMAT का preparation, ये वो काफी कुछ हो जाता है. For many exams, StudyBuzz is very important. Like StudyBuzz is very good. And finally, the last one, not posting, but yeah, actually Crackle Test. I don't know if you guys are following the Crackle Test channel or not, but on the Crackle Test channel, I make sure that I am posting regular content. I make sure that I'm giving out tricks. I make sure that I'm telling my strategies. I make sure that I'm telling you what we are doing wrong, what you are doing right. I tell you study sources. Anything that is under the MBA B school entrance exam umbrella, I make sure that I upload it there. And yes, vocabulary. Oh, thank you so much, Hemant. I regularly post vocabulary words for your vocab ka preparation. This is something that, trust me, will be very helpful to you. If you only go through my Crack Every Test ka Instagram page, trust me, you're gonna love the way that I hope that you love the way that I post the vocabulary words and also other things that I post. I try to put as much effort into it as much as possible. Also, the best thing, I regularly keep competitions on my Instagram page. Those are on stories, different ways. You have to solve questions. I start quizzes, and each and every competition that I post has an award to it. Now I'll let you in on a small teeny tiny secret. This week, the competition that I'm going to post, the top 3 people, like the first 3 people who are able to score above the cutoff score, are going to get each and every different one-to-one live sessions with me. So one-to-one live mentoring, in that I'll help you with your analysis or whatever that you need. So one-to-one live mentoring sessions is going to be the surprise for the winners of the competition. So tell me, does that make you guys happy? These are the sources that I suggest. These are the 5 sources. More than enough. These 5 sources are more than enough. Okay? Do you guys like the idea, guys? Tell me if you're happy about it. Great. Chalo. And now moving on to the final part today, which is going to be very, 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 very important, is the pre-exam and the in-exam stress management. This is something that all of you are screwing up in. तुम stress की वजह से जो अच्छा तुम्हें आता है तुम वो भी solve नहीं कर रहे, जो तुम्हें आता है वो भी तुम उधर wrong करके आ रहे हो. And I'll tell you, guys, tell me what is the biggest reason? What is the biggest reason for in-exam stress? Anybody? Tell me what is the biggest reason for in-exam stress? All of you are wrong. All of you are wrong. Yes, Jyoti Jain. You are the only one who's right. The only one who's right is Jyoti Jain. The reason for in-exam stress is the pre-exam stress. Your pre-exam approach is the reason for your in-exam stress. Okay? So guys, understand why I'm telling this. What is the first thing that all of you do when you take the CET? मतलब जब actual CET में जाओगे, what will be the thing that all of you will do? And I'm telling you that all of you are wrong at doing that. So make sure that you're telling me what you are doing before CET. सब जब सीईटी देने जाते हैं सेकंड स्लॉट में, थर्ड स्लॉट में, सबसे पहली चीज तुम लोग क्या करते हो? Exactly, Gajanan. You ask the people, you ask students. Now understand this. This is something that I used to do. मैं खुद मिस्टेक करता था ये कि मैं दूसरों को पूछता था, अरे सुन तेरा पेपर कैसा गया, अरे आज का पेपर कैसा रहा, अरे बहुत टफ है क्या सीईटी, प्रीवियस स्लॉट का एनालिसिस देखते हो। गाइस व्हाट आर द स्लॉट एनालिसिस बेस्ड ऑन? अगर कल सुबह मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे मैं जाके स्टूडेंट्स को सेंटर्स के बाहर खड़े रहते, आई हैव मोर देन इनफ टाइम इन द वर्ल्ड, तो मैं सेंटर्स के बाद जाके खड़े जगह ऐसे ही बंदा में स्टूडेंट को जाए एग्जाम कैसा गया, एग्जाम कैसा गया, एग्जाम कैसा गया। Now understand this. If I am a student, I have prepared for a 99 percentile. मेरे लिए 99.99 percentile. मेरे लिए एग्जाम इज एब्सोल्युटली चिंदी। If somebody who is scoring 40-50 marks, वो सीईटी देने जाएगा, उसने कुछ मेहनत नहीं किया, for him he will say, अरे सर एग्जाम खत्म हो गया, सर इतना डिफिकल्ट बना था, ये हुआ था, कौन वो हुआ था। Are you guys understanding what is happening here? अगर मैं प्रिपेयर भी हूं ना, मैं उसको देखूंगा एंड मेरे दिमाग में क्या होगा, अरे शिट लॉजिक बहुत टफ है, मैं लॉजिक से चालू नहीं करूंगा, आई स्टार्ट विद क्वांट्स। उस बंदे ने लॉजिक पे ध्यान ही नहीं दिया है। अगर लॉजिक सबसे चिंदी बोलेंगे तो भी उसको नहीं आता है, बिकॉज उसको आता ही नहीं लॉजिक सॉल्व करने। यू गाइस आर लुकिंग एट द रॉन्ग पीपल एंड ट्रस्ट मी, इफ आई एम अ पर्सन हु इज 99.99 परसेंटाइल, मैं बाहर जाके किसी भी आदमी से बात नहीं करूंगा कि अरे मेरा एग्जाम ऐसा गया। आई विल नॉट गो आउट, माय फर्स्ट अप्रोच विल बी चलो यार मैं बहुत थका हूं, आई वांट टू गो होम एंड रेस्ट, मैंने मेरा बेस्ट दिया, आई डोंट वांट टेल टू द वर्ल्ड कि मेरा कैसा एग्जाम गया। नो टॉपर विल टॉक ऑल ऑफ दिस। डू यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू आर लिसनिंग टू, हु यू आर आस्किंग? द पीपल हु टेल यू कि अरे मेरा एग्जाम ऐसा था, इतना सारा रोना करते हैं, दोस आर द पीपल हु आर नॉट वेल प्रिपेयर्ड। तुम लोग उनकी वजह से अपना स्ट्रेस बढ़ाते हो। डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग गाइस? This is the biggest reason. Pre-exam stress management is very important. You will only do that, and this is one suggestion, a very important suggestion for all of you guys. This is one thing. Okay, I'll tell you. You know what I had? Okay, any guesses? मैं अपने CET के एग्जाम में क्या पहन के गया था? Any guesses? What did I wear to my CET exam? ये साल का. And mind you, मैं CET के पहले से सिखा रहा हूँ. मैं सीईटी के पहले से सिखा रहा हूं, सो आई हैड स्टूडेंट्स इन द सेंटर। एग्जैक्टली, whoever said सोने के कपड़े, यस दैट इज राइट। आई हैड worn sleeping, मैं जिस कपड़े में सो के उठा था, मेरा सुबह का था, मैं जिस कपड़े में सो के उठा था मैं वो कपड़े पहन के गया था। एंड आई टेल यू व्हाई। There were people who were so well dressed. There were so many guys and girls who were looking absolutely amazing. You know what happened? Luckily, one of the girls who was very well dressed was sitting next to me. You know what happened? आधी एग्जाम she was just trying to get comfortable, she's just trying to get relaxed। बाकी में जो लड़का था यार वो लोअर पैंट, आधा एग्जाम अपना सीट ऊपर चढ़ा, अपना पैंट ऊपर चढ़ा रहा था सीट पे बैठे बैठे। all of that is stressful। तुम्हारे पास टाइम नहीं है वो सब फालतूगिरी करने के लिए। You guys have to be in your most comfortable clothes। Clothes need to be the last thing that we need to be worried about। See, understand, I was looking like shit when I took my CET। I had my students meeting me and saying that sir यार क्या पहन के आया है, and literally before the exam I told them, so you will regret that कि तू वो पहन के आया है। And yes Hemant, you are allowed to wear 3/4 and everything also to CET centers। There is no rule to stop you from wearing comfortable clothes, any clothes that you are comfortable with। So understand this। हाँ अब कार्तिक perfect, now you guys have mask पहन के जाओ, किसी को पता भी नहीं चलता है कि तुम कौन हो। Who cares? Wear the most comfortable clothes। Only when you are comfortable in what you are wearing or how you are, you will have reduced the number of things that will stress you out during the exam। See, Akash is saying that he tried this with the CMAT and it works amazing। Akash is one of my students as well। So yeah, there it is। A student is saying that it works perfectly। You have to start doing this। Are you guys understanding what I'm telling you guys? And now about the in-exam stress। In-exam stress कब आता है? When you see कि तुम टाइम के पीछे हो। टाइम 100 मिनट हो गया, तुम्हारे 40 क्वेश्चन, सॉरी 100 मिनट हो गया तो तुम्हारे 80 क्वेश्चन, 90 क्वेश्चन हुए हैं। बट रिमेंबर गाइस व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू व्हेन आई सेड, जब हमने डिस्कस किया, तुम्हारे 97 मिनट्स में कितने क्वेश्चन हुए थे? हाउ मेनी क्वेश्चन वर यू डन विद इन 97 मिनट्स? Exactly 150 questions in 97 minutes। कोई भी रीजन है इन एग्जाम स्ट्रेस का? जीरो रीजंस। You are way ahead of the time. If you have this approach, you are way ahead of time. तुम्हें टाइम का सोचना ही नहीं है. इन एग्जाम स्ट्रेस क्यों आता है? एग्जाम डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, तुम लोग का अप्रोच गलत है. अगर तुम एग्जाम सही तरीके से दोगे, स्ट्रेस आने का कोई रीजन नहीं है. Are you guys understanding what I'm saying here, guys? And do you guys agree with whatever I have told up till now? And please tell me the pre-exam stress कैसे maintain करना है, सबको समझा? Perfect. So now I'm gonna have another 5 minutes का doubt session. After which I'll give additional tips for each and every different sections individually कि कौन सा section को कैसे approach करना है, कौन सा section में क्या क्या अच्छा करना है. Okay? चलो. You guys can unmute yourself. Please ask me any doubts. You have 5 minutes. Unmute yourself and throw your doubts immediately at me. Preparation related doubts. Jaldi bolo.
Hi Jigar, my name is Priya. So I wanted to ask you कि you told VA to attempt in 25 minutes. So for me that's like insane. मुझे VA के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है. Minimum 35 minutes और उसमें भी मेरे कुछ 25 मार्क्स आते हैं. So VA मुझे रीड करने के लिए थोड़ा ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है. For example probable starters है या फिर connectors है. तो फिर ईच ऑप्शन को लेके फिर वो रीड करते बैठना हो कि ये बैठ रहा है ये नहीं बैठ रहा है. सो दैट्स हाउ इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. सो उसके ऊपर बताना हाउ टू रिड्यूस
सॉल्यूशन. या टेल मी व्हाट आर यू डूइंग टू इंप्रूव योर रीडिंग स्पीड. कीप योर माइक ऑन. ओके. व्हाट आर यू डूइंग टू इंक्रीज योर रीडिंग स्पीड? तुम्हारा रीडिंग स्पीड, राइट? व्हाट आर यू डूइंग टू इंप्रूव इट?
आई एम रीडिंग Sapiens right now and nothing else other than that.
See, understand what you are reading matters a lot. Sapiens is a great book, but it is too high level for CET. Read the stuff which is relevant to CET ka level.
Okay.
You understand what I'm saying? Sapiens is a great book. It's a great book to read for yourself. But if you want to develop speed, Sapiens में तुम्हें दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा. You will have to invest much more mind while reading Sapiens. For all of you who are reading books, I understand that you guys have found great books के names over the internet from your teachers, from your mentors. Amazing. या फिर फ्रेंड्स से पूछा है. These are famous books, but there are also a lot of famous books, a lot of famous writers who write in easy tongue, who write in easy language. Start following them. Start reading those books. You need to have a good speed. CET के comprehensions difficult नहीं आते. Okay, Priya, you tell me. CET के comprehensions difficult होते हैं समझने? नहीं, right? नहीं लगता है. Read something that will be like that. तुम्हें speed develop करना है. अगर तुझे अगर समझ अगर if you want to end up driving an Innova, will I teach you on a Nano?
No.
So I'll start teaching you on a small SUV, but SUV पे ही सिखाऊंगा ना. That is the difference here.
Okay.
Start reading proper stuff and start developing your speed. Ideal speed that I tell all my students is 30 minutes में 35 pages cover होने चाहिए.
Okay.
Mindful reading. Zoom नहीं. माइंडफुल रीडिंग. अगर मैं तुम्हें पूछूं अरे 5 पेज पहले ये लास्ट के 5 पेज मुझे एक्सप्लेन करके बता तो क्या बताया था, यू शुड बी एबल टू गिव मी अ जिस्ट ऑफ द एटलीस्ट द लास्ट 5 पेजेस. दैट इज हाउ इट शुड.
Okay. And this reading relevant content, will this help me in traditional VA questions, one-liner questions, or?
Yes, it definitely will. If you are working on your grammar properly, अगर तुम अच्छी ग्रामर की चीजें पढ़ रही हो, and if you are regularly improving on your grammar, see what I suggest for all of you guys. Okay, one suggestion for all of you. I have this rule for all my students. Not rule. This is a suggestion for all my students. Many of them do it. Start using one new word every day with one new sentence where you have used it. Samjho, for example, if the word is cacophony, you don't have to ever say that a fish market is like a cacophony. There's a lot of sound. No, you have to use a complex sentence. You have to make sentence with different active voice, passive voice use karo. Start using phrases. Start using subject verb disagreements को avoid करने की try करो. Understand that you have to change the subject to object, object to subject. Start using such weird different sentences, but they are grammatically right. And check where you are wrong. If you have someone who's good at English, your friend, your teacher, anyone, tell them to check the sentences. If they are right, great. If they are not right, you will understand where you made a mistake. जाके रेमन मार्टिन में रीड करो, वैसे तुम्हारा ग्रामर सुधरेगा. You understand, Priya?
Yeah.
Doing that, then solving sentence correction is बहुत चिंदी का. Okay, for any of my student, sentence correction का average time कितना होता है to solve per question? Like what I suggest and what I have always taught you to do. Tell me. जल्दी unmute करो, बोलो. जल्दी 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 जल्दी. अरे don't write in the chat.
In verbal?
Verbal में sentence correction का average time per question कितना होना चाहिए?
20 seconds.
Perfect. 20 seconds is the best time that you can give any verbal ka, any sentence correction ka question. That's it. And trust me, it is very much possible. It is very easily possible. It's not even a lot of effort. So Priya, that solves your doubts.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks a lot.
Welcome. Anybody else? Jaldi, jaldi, jaldi. Final session.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Monty, tell me.
So
I get confused in the options in RC. Like I read the para in 1.5 minutes, as you said. I get confused in the options.
Okay. Monty, confused हो गए. तुम एटलीस्ट 5 में से 3 को तो नेगेट कर सकोगे. 2 क्वेश्चंस में 2 ऑप्शंस में कंफ्यूजन होता है, राइट? मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mark any one. Mark the one which your gut goes with. You cannot waste time on that. तुम्हारा एक्यूरेसी फिर भी 50% है.
Okay, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
CET में speed is paramount, accuracy comes second. समझे, Monty?
Yes, sir.
That's a big approach, and that is the approach that I tell all my students. Okay, next question. Come on, guys, fast, throw it at me.
Sir,
हाँ बोलो.
Sir, with reference to Priya's doubt, is it advisable to read biographies?
I suggest that you read any kind of book that has been written by an English author, like a British author. Purely because many American authors which are very popular, they have a little bit of slang. और American English और British English में थोड़ा इधर उधर का फर्क होता है. CET especially plays around with that. CET में तुम्हें वो बहुत सारे ऐसे क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे जहाँ पे उन लोगों ने अमेरिकन ग्रामर लिखा है और एक में ब्रिटिश ग्रामर है. एंड यू विल गेट कंफ्यूज. अरे कौन सा वाला सही है, कौन सा वाला गलत है, अरे दोनों सही लग रहे हैं, दोनों बोथ साउंड राइट टू मी. दिस इज द मोस्ट कॉमन थिंग दैट आई हियर. बोथ साउंड राइट. You have to mark the one which has British English and cancel the one which has English, American English. That is why I suggest read any good book, but by a British author. It doesn't matter. Autobiography पढ़ो, read fiction, read non-fiction, totally up to you. But read good grammar. Sanjay Hemant? Perfect. And one last doubt. Tell me, guys, fatafat. One last doubt.
Hello.
Yes, tell me.
Yes, Jigar, I am preparing for CET 22, but my doubt was like I have joined ELC last year, so I have all the ELC book with me. So in your course, it is written that you will also get ELC books and mocks, but it is activated for me, so I only need to attend your lectures. So please, can you connect later, or you will resolve my doubt now?
I will contact me later.
Okay, thank you.
Related doubt बाद में. अभी preparation चालू है. Admission का बाद में देखेंगे.
Hello.
हाँ.
Sir, Karthik here.
बोलो.
Sir, the thing is ना English में marks आ रहे हैं, but then I take like 35 to sometimes even 40 minutes, but then I reach 34, 35. So is it advised to
reduce the time? Reduce the time. जिस क्वेश्चन में ज्यादा टाइम लग रहा है, skip it for the questions which will take less time. मतलब समझो तुम आरसी में ज्यादा टाइम ले रहे हो, एक तो सबसे पहली बात रीडिंग स्पीड बढ़ाओ, तो आरसी का खुद से स्पीड बढ़ जाएगा. अगर तुम सेंटेंस अरेंजमेंट में ज्यादा टाइम ले रहे हो, see if you can reduce sentence arrangement का solving and increase the vocabulary का solving. उसमें शायद तुम्हारे मार्क्स बढ़ जाए. vocabulary को कम टाइम लगता है सेंटेंस अरेंजमेंट के कंपैरिजन में. सेंटेंस अरेंजमेंट कम करके सेंटेंस करेक्शन को थोड़ा ज्यादा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो. This is how you will replace the questions which you are 100% sure you'll be able to solve right. That is how you save time.
Also, can you please suggest any mock that plays, very, close to the level of CET? Because कैसे हो जाता है ना कभी-कभी difficult mock.
I personally suggest ELC and Test Panda. These both are very close. Both are good in their own manners. Test Panda, in my opinion, has a little bit of more difficult LR. More difficult quant and DI. ELC on the other hand, उसका LR थोड़ा easy है. And उसका quants and DI थोड़ा tough है as compared to Test Panda. And उसका LR comparatively easy है. सबका अलग अलग opinions है, but overall if you take these two as a combination, I suggest that these two are the closest to CET that you will get. So मैं तो स्टूडेंट को वही बोलता हूँ, एक alternately दो, ELC test फंडा, ELC test फंडा, ELC test फंडा. So that's what I suggest.
Okay, sir. Done.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah.
Most welcome.
Hello.
Akansha, lecture के end में वापस I'll have a doubt solving session.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now additional tips. These are two tips I'm gonna give for each and every section. Simple. I'll divide them. Also, I'll again say it in the same order where I'm gonna tell you. Just to revise कि कौन से order में CET solve करना है. पहले LR puzzles. First, properly analyze. Question एक बार पढ़ो. Make a skeleton. अगर skeleton में boxes देखो कितने हैं. अगर 28 से ज्यादा boxes है, skip the question. 28 से ज्यादा boxes मतलब C category question. That's it. Done. खत्म. 28 से कम boxes है, then it is a solvable question. Then it is a question that is worthy of solving within 5 minutes. First tip. See, there are always exceptions to this, but these are the common tricks which work almost 90-95% of the times. Okay. Second tip. LR puzzles. Never, ever take LR puzzles exam के बीच में या फिर exam के end में. Make sure that exam के start में तुम्हारा first नहीं तो second part of CET solving should be LR puzzles. वो तुम थके हुए हो तब कोई भी नहीं solve कर पाएगा LR puzzles जब थके हुए होते हो तब. In my opinion, and this is my observation that I've seen with almost everyone that I've taught and I've studied with and I've learned from. Okay, 2 tips for LR puzzles. बाद में आ जाता है English में improve your reading speed. You have no idea how important that is. And the second thing, start working on your vocabulary. And by vocabulary I mean vocabulary के एक sentence word के साथ तुम्हें sentences भी बनाने हैं. That will be working on your grammar and working on your vocabulary both at the same time. Maintain a sheet, and if you are studying with friends, if you know people जो तुम साथ में पढ़ रहे हो, like for example my vocabulary sheet has students, like it has too many students, it has a few good 100 students who have put in their words there. Each student has put in like 50-60 words. Understand that makes it 6,000 के ऊपर words. अगर तुम वो at least go through कर जाओगे, तुम्हें उसमें से 500,000 questions भी याद रहे, you will be way ahead of the topper of CET, topper of CAT. Make sure that you make a group and you solve vocabulary or make a vocabulary sheet for yourself जिसमें sentences बाजू में होना चाहिए and उसके बाजू में तुमने sentence में कौन सी mistake की वो भी होना चाहिए. This is important. Second thing. So yeah, these are the 2 tips for English. बाद में कौन सा? Logic traditional or logic standalone as I call it. Input output, I hate it. I personally hate input output and grouping questions. These take time. Input output या तो A category होगा या फिर C category होगा. So I personally don't even waste my time at input output questions. And the second one, grouping questions. I personally never do grouping questions. Grouping is an F category question for me. Grouping में कोई trick, कोई भी चीज नहीं लगती है. You have to do गधा मजूरी. So that is why please I suggest leave grouping, and if you are good at it then great. If you are innately good at it then great. But don't. Okay, grouping का मतलब A, B, C, D, E, F are 6 people who go in 2 cars. If A goes, then B cannot go. If B goes, then C and D have to be together. If F goes, then G has to go with him. ऐसा सब होता है ना कार्तिक? That is grouping questions. Do you understand, Karthik?
Yes, sir.
Great. And the second thing, start. Yes, Prajita, they are the worst kind according to me. Why are they not in puzzles? Puzzles में I only consider family tree वाले, जो family tree और circular साथ में आते हैं. Circular, linear and tabular. These 3 are puzzles according to me. Okay? These 3 are puzzles. बाकी मतलब input output is not a puzzle. Input output is just mind racking. So that's not a puzzle. Puzzle is where you have to actually put in some logical data here. वो सब puzzle है मेरे हिसाब से. That's what I say. Now the second tip for your logical traditional questions is going to be just yeah, exactly. Start working on your CR. CR में सबसे important चीज, the सबसे important चीज in CR is put the things that you have learned by yourself in staying in this world. जो तुम experience से सीखे हो वो सब जाएगा कचरे के डब्बे में. क्वेश्चन में अगर दिया है कि कौवा व्हाइट होता है तो कौवा व्हाइट होता है. Screw it. That is the truth. Your premise is only the question. Your world ends there. If you don't make this mistake, then your CR is very easy. अगर तुम अपना दिमाग CR में लगाओगे, you'll always go wrong because you'll always get confused between the options. This is the biggest tip that I can give you. Detailed explanation कभी बाद में कर लेंगे, or I have it in my lectures. But yeah, then I'll go on to abstract. Abstract में there is only one and only one tip. Think dumb. Think in the dumbest way that you can think, and that will clear your abstract section. You will have the best abstract score ever if you are thinking in the dumbest fashion possible, and you have a great NPM. You know how much I suggest the abstract NPM? Abstract NPM I suggest 1.5 जितना होना चाहिए for my students. That is the abstract NPM that I suggest. 1.5 के up at least. Great. Yeah, the score as Hemant says I suggest is 12-13 मिनट में 20-22 marks आने चाहिए. That is the level that I expect from students, my students. Now we'll go on to the last part, that is DI and quants. DI एक भी set मत छोड़ो. DI के लिए your speed maths, and when your exam starts, exam पे तुम भगवान का नाम लिखो, मत लिखो, किसी का भी नाम लिखो. Before that, the first thing that you will do is do only two things. तुम सारे squares up till 20 लिख जाओ, सारे reciprocals up till 20 लिख लो. And also A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z सबके numbers दे दो and write it in 13 मतलब 1 A से M तक and N से Z तक. हाँ, A से M N से Z. Write it ऐसे सामने सामने, A के सामने Z, B के सामने Y, C के सामने X. Write it like that. Trust me, you will not have even a single CET जिसमें तुम्हें काम नहीं आएगा. ये तीनों चीजें मैं लिख के देता हूँ, तुम्हें काम आएंगी. Okay? These are my tips for all these sections. And the second, these are the two tips for the DI and the quant section. If you are following this, and quants mein another tip that I would like to give you, any question is not worth more than 1 minute, no matter what the question is. कोई भी chapter हो, you may be loving that chapter. मुझे बहुत पसंद है compound interest, पर 1 मिनट से ज्यादा टाइम लग रहा है, that is not worth it. Do you understand? Overall CET का yes, it is allowed to write on paper even before the exam. Overall CET का marks per minute 1 होना चाहिए. That does not mean that हर एक section में 1 marks per minute होना चाहिए. Your abstract का marks per minute is very high. Your English का marks per minute is very high. Your logic का marks per minute will be less than 1. So वो compensate कर देता है तुम्हारा दूसरी जगह पे high marks per minute रखना. This is my suggestion. Okay. So all the centers that I have been to 4 centers. चारों सेंटर्स में अलाउ किया है पेपर पे लिखना इवन बिफोर द सीईटी स्टार्ट्स. सो आई डोंट थिंक इट शुड बी एन इश्यू. इफ यू हैव एन स्पेशली स्ट्रिक्ट सीईटी सेंटर देन आई डोंट नो, बट आई हैवंट हर्ड एनी एज सच. Great. Does everyone understand? I hope you guys noted down the tips that I've told you and start working on them. But does everyone understand what I said here, guys? सबको समझा? Do these tips make sense? Were these helpful? And please give me yes on the chat if they were helpful. Great. Chalo. Now the final doubt solving that we're gonna have for today. Start. Fatafat. Shoot.
Hello.
Yes, Akansha.
Yeah, hi. Actually मुझे क्वांट के लिए थोड़ा डिफिकल्टी था. फॉर एग्जांपल डेटा सफिशिएंसी और क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन जब थोड़े सिंपल आ जाते हैं तो वो हो जाता है, पर फॉर द लार्जर नंबर क्या हमें वो सॉल्व करना चाहिए, टाइम देना चाहिए, और जस्ट भी स्किप और कुछ भी उसमें टिक मार्क करना है?
Any question is not worth what I just said this 2 minutes ago. Any question is not worth.
Sorry.
Any question is not worth dash. I just said this 2 minutes
For
ago.
1 minute.
Exactly. 1 मिनट में हो रहा है solve कर, नहीं हो रहा है screw it.
Okay.
That's the answer.
Yeah. And आप प्लीज वीए के लिए कुछ सजेस्ट कर सकते हैं, क्या क्या रीड कर सकते हैं फॉर लाइक न्यूज़पेपर और सम बुक?
I suggest against reading newspapers, especially when it comes to CET. I think newspapers make a lot of mistakes. Indian newspapers especially make a lot of mistakes, and more importantly, they rarely have a tone to them. ऐसा story type format नहीं होता.
Right.
Don't have a flow. मतलब मैं न्यूज़पेपर में honestly अगर मैं थर्ड पैराग्राफ को सेकंड पैराग्राफ की जगह लिख दूं उनको फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. It's all factual dry data. और कोई भी चीज कहीं भी लिख सकते हैं. People will still understand. In a story it doesn't happen that way. In your sentence arrangement it won't happen that way. You have to read something that will make you understand what is the flow of any story, and that will only help you in your sentence arrangement and your essay.
So any specific website?
Read books. No website.
Okay.
Read books.
Oh,
Okay.
thanks a lot.
Anybody else? Jelly doubts. Fatat. Guys, जल्दी किसी को भी डाउट है प्लीज डोंट पुट ऑन द चैट यार. मैं चैट नहीं पढ़ रहा अभी. लाइक देयर आर टू मेनी चैट पे डाउट्स. प्लीज आस्क मी द क्वेश्चंस ऐसा अनम्यूट करके. इट विल बी इजीर. If not, then we can end the session here. I'm absolutely fine.
हेलो सर.
Yes, Tanmay, tell me.
सर एक्चुअली अभी कॉलेज तो शुरू हो गया है ना, तो उसके साथ प्रिपरेशन मेंटेन कैसे करें? दैट्स वाज माय क्वेश्चन.
Difficult. Okay, if you don't mind telling me which college are you in?
एनएल डालमिया अभी तो.
Dalmia, okay. I know it is tough. I know it is very busy in the start, especially with all the onboarding sessions and everything that goes on. I understand it's tough. Prioritize. And you have to understand what are your priorities. If you feel and gauge it based on what you are scoring in your mock test right now. I don't want you to be in a position जहाँ पे तुम्हारा CET में मतलब if you are honestly scoring even below Dalmia के marks in CET, then I suggest Dalmia पे ज़्यादा ध्यान दो. If you are already scoring better marks than Dalmia in CET, then make sure that you are trying to improve it. Then you can take your Dalmia, let your Dalmia का thing, let any college that you are in take a back seat. थोड़ा तुम समझ सकते हो कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा, सीनियर थोड़ा चिल्लाएंगे ना, 10 गाली सुन लेना. दिस इज माई सजेशन. देखो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वो चिल्लाएंगे तुम पे. दे वोंट डू एनीथिंग मोर देन दैट. समझ रहे हैं मैं?
या थैंक यू सर.
मोस्ट वेलकम.
भैया.
हेलो सर.
यस, टेल मी आकाश.
सर शुड वी स्टडी ईच सेक्शन एवरी डे लाइक?
नो. आकाश तुम मेरा स्टूडेंट है ना?
नहीं मैं रोज, हाँ आई नो मेरे पास टाइम टेबल है, बट वो 20 डेज का था ना, वो हो गया तो मैंने स्विच कर लिया था.
वो वाला नहीं, डे टू डे टाइम टेबल. फॉर द मंडे ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे थर्सडे वाला टाइम टेबल, दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट.
ओके, तो अभी वही कंटिन्यू करना है. मैंने एक्चुअली मेरा खुद का नया बनाया था.
नहीं, वही वाला यूज कर जो मैंने दिया. ट्रस्ट मी, इट इज गोना बी यूजफुल.
ओके फाइन. मैं रोज एवरी सेक्शन करता था, तो मे बी
वेरी रॉन्ग अप्रोच. या आस्क योर डाउट.
हेलो.
हाँ
सर, जब मैंने पहला मॉक दिया था तब मेरा स्कोर 60 था. उसके बाद फिर 80 हुआ, उसके बाद फिर 62 हुआ. और जो मेरा वर्बल का भी मार्क था सर, वो भी कम ज्यादा हो रहा है. पहला 9 था, फिर 13 हुआ, फिर 8 पे आ गया. तो इसको यानी इम्प्रूव कैसे करें?
तेरा नॉलेज लेवल ऊपर नीचे नहीं होता है. तेरे तुक्के राइट पढ़ रहे तब तेरा स्कोर बढ़ रहा है. इम्प्रूव योर नॉलेज लेवल. तुक्के मत मारो. एंड दैट इज व्हाई आई ऑलवेज से तुक्के कभी भी मत मारो कोई भी मॉक में. इट विल गिव यू फॉल्स होप्स कि अरे मेरा स्कोर इतना ऊपर चला गया.
नहीं सर, लेकिन 2 आवर्स यानी 150 मिनट्स में मेरे 100 ही क्वेश्चन सॉल्व होते हैं और मैं तुक्के नहीं मारता हूँ उसमें. मैक्सिमम टाइम तुक्के नहीं मारता हूँ.
स्पीड इज एन इशू हियर. अंडरस्टैंड दैट. स्पीड बढ़ाना ही है. इफ यू आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व एवरीथिंग बाय द स्कूल का मेथड्स ना, इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क. लाइक सिंपल इंटरेस्ट, कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट, आई नो स्कूल में मेथड सिखाया था. आई नो almost every class teaches many methods. Many of them are very time consuming. I strongly suggest against all of those which are time consuming. Each and everything, if you have seen my YouTube videos, you understand that I try to solve each and everything using approximation and tricks. वही तुम्हारा अप्रोच होना चाहिए. Everything has to be solved with tricks. Nothing is going to be solved by the basic लंबा घिसा पेटा मेथड.
सर मैंने आपका कोर्स भी इनरोल किया है. मैंने नोट्स बनाई है, सब बनाई, मैं कर रहा हूँ. लेकिन कभी कभी ऊपर नीचे हो जाता है और वो स्ट्रेस ज्यादा इतना हो जाता है कि मेरे सॉल्व ही नहीं हो पाता है. फिर
अरे स्ट्रेस की वजह से. स्ट्रेस क्या है तेरे को? ये प्रैक्टिस एग्जाम है
सर. ऐसा डर लगता है कि कम आए ज्यादा है, डेट आने वाली है, पास में डेट आने.
प्रैक्टिस एग्जाम है ना, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? इट्स अ मॉक टेस्ट. मॉक का मतलब प्रैक्टिस. इसमें कम स्कोर आया, इसमें तू टॉपर में मार लिया तो क्या उखाड़ लिया? No. Nothing. The topper भी कुछ नहीं उखाड़ रहा है, तुझे कम मार्क्स आ रहे तो भी कुछ तेरा नहीं उखाड़ रहा है. There is no issue. Whatever your score is, you should just see कि तूने क्या गलत किया. कितना मार्क्स आ रहा है वो छोड़ दे. Start looking at कहाँ तेरे मार्क्स जा रहे हैं. If that is your approach, you should be more excited about where did you lose marks than where did you gain marks. If this is your approach to any exam, trust me, your preparation will always improve only. Because you'll be looking at only where you can improve. जो आता है वो तो आता है यार, वो जाने दे. समझा?
और सर यानी स्पीड के चक्कर में कभी-कभी क्या होता है कि जो आंसर है बी की जगह हम सी टक कर यानी सी टिक करके भी फिर आगे बढ़ जाता हूँ. वो स्पीड का प्रॉब्लम भी वैसा हो रहा है.
ये स्पीड का प्रॉब्लम नहीं, ये स्ट्रेस का प्रॉब्लम है. ये स्ट्रेस का प्रॉब्लम है. Don't take so much stress. If you reduce your stress, trust me, it will be very helpful. और ऐसे ठंडा ले, बस. That is my suggestion. ठंडा ले. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. And now the last doubt, anyone, please go on.
Hello. भैया.
Hello.
Yes, Ahad, tell me.
25 minutes में LR की standalone question 40. Is it possible?
It is very much possible. CR को कितना टाइम लगता है? CR per question takes 30-35 seconds. The time consuming ones in LR standalone, I suggest, are input output. If you solve, then grouping is always time consuming no matter what. The least time consuming ones are selection criteria, like Rajan is an MBA from this college, he has 45% in his MBA, he has 60% in his 12th. These are one of the least time consuming because तुम्हें हर क्वेश्चन का आंसर 15-20 सेकंड में मिल जाता है. So क्वेश्चन पढ़ो, आंसर मिल जाएगा. Is that easy? CR फटफट हो जाता है solve. The only questions where you'll have to actually put in a little more time will be family tree and direction sense. Direction sense be if you know a few tricks to it, then it becomes very easy.
Okay.
Not every question you have to solve manually. There are tricks, and which are very, very, very fast. Depends on the question that you are seeing. Look at every question in a scrutinizing manner. Look at every question thinking कि अरे मैं इसमें क्या जुगाड़ लगा सकता हूँ. If this is your approach, then trust me, your preparation will skyrocket. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Chalo. So guys, this was the last one, and
भैया.
Yeah, Siddesh asked me. तू कब से try कर रहा है?
भैया, according to you, is verbal a game changer in CET?
Absolutely. It's not a game changer, it's a game maker. If you have your verbal in place, then you have game. If you don't, then trust me, your game is already ruined because you are missing out on the basics.
No भैया, क्योंकि most of like on the internet I'm seeing a lot of people are saying that verbal important है, verbal पे focus करना चाहिए.
Exactly.
Grammar improve होना चाहिए.
Verbal सिर्फ game changer नहीं, it is the game maker. Verbal आता है बराबर से तो तुम्हारा game proper है. अगर नहीं आता है तो verbal पे ध्यान दो. There is no replacement to verbal. No replacement.
अच्छा. And according to you, what are the dead corners in CET? Like which, like any topic?
I don't understand what.
Dead corner like मतलब अगर हम लोग ट्रैप में फंस सकते हैं, ऐसा कौन सा टॉपिक्स है?
Grouping, input output. According to me, always they are bad. बाद में algebra is always bad. Algebra, people are very afraid of algebra. I don't know why people are so afraid.
Likewise.
Exactly. Understand this. I understand algebra is huge. But algebra कितने मार्क्स का आता है?
X रहता है ना सर उसमें. X का सबसे प्रॉब्लम रहता है.
Algebra कितने मार्क्स का आता है सिद्धेश? Tell me.
I think 10 to 15 marks.
पागल है?
नहीं कम है, like 5-6 मार्क रहेगा शायद.
5 marks.
Average.
Algebra maximum will come for 2 to 4 marks. उसके ऊपर
अच्छा.
I can give it in writing. 4 marks के लिए, do you want to study something that will take you 5-7 days?
Not word.
Understand where you are putting your efforts. Your efforts need to be in the right place.
So तो cons और like cons में क्या मतलब किस पे टाइम ज्यादा डालना चाहिए? On which topic?
Calculation. Your most important thing in quants is calculation and approximation. अगर तुम ये दो चीजें कर रहे हो ना, and if you know that कौन से chapters एक दूसरे के साथ क्लब करके तुम पढ़ सकते हो, then trust me, everything is doable very easily. Like I don't know if you know, but मेरा line method, I use the line method in 7 chapters in CET. 7 chapters. मैं 7 chapters को सिर्फ line method से solve करता हूँ. सिर्फ line method से. I don't know any different, like I don't use any different method. Time speed distance ball, profit loss ball, compound interest ball, simple interest ball. Take anything, take averages, percentages, everything is solvable by only using the line method. If you know how to tweak it thoda thoda, start making your methods, start making your tricks. That is very important. समझे सिद्धेश?
Okay भैया.
Your approach should be time कम जाना चाहिए. That's it. And with that, guys, we'll close today's session. I really hope that you guys liked it. Did you guys like it? Please just say it or
yes भैया.
or whatever. Okay, great. So I'm glad I'm getting a lot of replies. And yeah, if there's anything you can always put in क्या बोलते हैं, some comments के क्या क्या तुम्हें request चाहिए, and yeah, चलो, bye guys. I really hope you enjoyed. I loved taking the session with you guys again.